Right from the start, we're diving into a serious charge of possession with intent to deliver. That's not small-time stuff. We're talking about a felony involving over 4 grams of a controlled substance. Let's see how Erica handles this pressure in front of Judge Boyd.
Are you the same Erica Anne Aro who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 5583 for the offense of possession with intent to deliver a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4,200 grams, on January 13, 2021 for a period of 5 years? Is that you? Oh, he's still conferring. All right, who is here on Erica Aro? Are y'all ready to proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Court is calling 2020 CR 5583 State versus Erica Anne Aro. Can I have parties announced?
I think I'll read the state. Lindsay Shaw for Mr. Revel.
And are you Miss Aro?
Yes. Yes, madam.
All right, did you review the documents entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and State's motion to supplement pending motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke probation with your attorney?
Yes.
And did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Erica Anne Aro who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 5583 for the offense of possession with intent to deliver a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4,200 grams, on January 13, 2021 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
I'm sorry. So I was going off of, this might be my mistake. On the front page of the MTR, it shows just she's on for straight possession.
No, it's possession with.
Well, I see that now. I'm sorry to interrupt you.
No. Do you need to confer?
I do, because on the first page of just the MTR, not that, but the court summary, it showed that it was just straight. No, the from probation, the court summary.
It's a court summary.
Okay.
It should, yeah. So I only discussed the fact I thought it was a second degree. So if I may, I'm sorry.
Yes.
Gotcha.
No problem.
Notice the confusion here? Even the defense attorney seems unsure about the specific charge details, possession versus possession with intent to deliver. That's a huge legal difference. Intent means the prosecution believes you were planning to sell, not just use.
Problem. It happens. But Sean, they have a volunteer intern training for Master Gardener. I think I'm going to attend. Do you know, one of my friends was a Master Gardener, and if you don't keep up with your classes, she said, they defrocked me. I'm like, what? Yeah, they will take away your Master Gardening designation if you don't keep up with your classes.
And if you're
I'm sorry, what?
I thought they could drive.
No. They have water.
But there's no bar.
What? All right, I'm gonna look and see.
You can help.
I'm gonna look and see. I'm gonna see what's going on.
We're looking at the yesterday.
All right. There is an application fee of $260.
Yes.
And the classes are from August 20th to November 12th.
And you know, I was thinking about them this morning. And then not have to.
I mean, I would love to do it, but the time they're meeting is my class time.
Yeah.
And court time, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m.
No.
Mr. Featherston, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor, we are.
All right, Ethan Gonzalez. Hello. All right. Let me,
Judge,
Odyssey is pulling up his case.
okay, can we go off the internet for just a minute?
Sure, just give me 1 second. No,
Or on the internet?
no problem. All right. You'll need to file those motions.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 45-day reset, please.
And Judge, as to discovery on the case,
Mm-hmm.
I still have not looked at all the data yet.
Okay.
But I think that 45-day reset will probably take care of that.
Okay.
July
28 July, okay.
All right. We'll do July 28th.
Let me just double check, Judge. I'm supposed to be out of town sometime in December. In July. I can't remember what it is right now.
Is it for work?
Oh, no. It's going to Colorado. No, that's outside of that time frame, so I'm good.
Oh, you're going to Colorado?
Yes, I'm gonna take my motorcycle back up there.
Oh. Okay.
I've made 3 motorcycle trips to Colorado and I go to different mountains each time. So I'm looking forward to going again.
Well, that's always fun. You know, there's an attorney, Patton Zarate. He and I
Yeah.
were in law school together. Now he does a lot of bird watching, and that
Really?
seems very relaxing. And he'll post his bird pictures, and I'm like, wow. And do you know John Economidis actually wrote a book?
About bird watching?
Yeah, Northern Birds. If
I
you
didn't
look
know
it
that.
up, oh, and it's a
Very smart
major,
guy.
it's a major book, and it's
Yeah.
well received, critically acclaimed. If you look it up.
I will never know that.
Oh, he's a
Yeah.
Renaissance man.
He must be.
Yeah. All right, so we'll bring you back on July 28th.
Thanks, Your Honor.
All right, do
Appreciate
you need
that.
to speak with him or anymore? Or?
No, Judge, I've already had a conversation.
All right, then the deputies will take him back. So we'll come back on the 28th.
I'll see you later. Okay?
And Norma, on that one, I just need to, because, just 1 moment.
After a long break in proceedings, the court is back and things are about to get serious. Erica's probation violations are being read out one by one. 10 months of failing to report? In the legal world, that's a massive red flag.
All right, we're back on the record in 2020 CR 5583 State versus Erica Anne Aro. Can I have parties re-announced, please?
Megan Gallagher for the state.
Lindsay Shaw for Mr. Revelo.
All right, Ms. Arevalo, you reviewed the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision and state's motion to supplement pending motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke probation with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Erica Anne Aro who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 5583 for the offense of possession with intent to deliver controlled substance penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams on January 13, 2021 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
The state's going to be pursuing on the motion to supplement the motion to enter guilt to narcotics.
Yes.
So violation of condition number 5 in Dare County, Texas, the defendant Erica Anne Aro did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December 2024 in violation of condition.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
We'll leave it abandoned.
Any objection to the
No,
waivers?
Judge.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 5 years or 99 years or life in prison and up to $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true, knowing that I could send you to prison for life? All right, the court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Judge, there's not, the state is asking for revocation, given the defendant's being true and in compliance with reporting of conditions of probation.
All right, and defense, what are you requesting?
Judge, if you look at the court summary, probation was recommending SATIF. And in this case, we are asking that the court consider something lesser than sending Ms. Arevalo to prison. We obviously, by pleading true, she understands that it was wrong to not report for over 2 years. But I would like to point out from January of 2021 until July of 2023, she did report. She was reporting. She did complete the outpatient treatment program, and she was holding down a full-time job. That job, which she still has, well, did have until she was arrested last month. She's a full-time cashier at a Shell gas station. It's the same job she had when she got this probation. And when she stopped reporting in July of 2023, and I'm going to have her speak to the court.
Here comes the heart of the defense. Erica's lawyer paints a picture of a struggling woman balancing caregiving, grief, and survival. But here's the question: does hardship excuse ignoring court orders? Or is accountability still non-negotiable?
But she sort of got tasked with helping take care of her disabled mother. She's also been helping her grandchild, or helping take care of her 5-year-old granddaughter who has she's special needs. She has a feeding tube. There's a lot of issues going on. And so she put that above taking care of herself and doing what she was supposed to do by reporting to probation. She has no criminal history besides this felony case. She does not have any other felonies. She's never been on any other type of deferred adjudication, and she's never been to prison, obviously. So we're asking the court punish her by sending her to a treatment facility, but give her a second chance before she's gets a felony conviction and has to go to TDC. And if I would like to call Ms. Arevalo.
All right, you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Erica.
All right, you may proceed.
Okay, Erica, I want you to tell the judge, why should she give you this opportunity? Why should she not revoke you and continue you on probation? Can you tell the court?
You can give me a second chance. I'm more better out there of service out there in the world than I am in prison. Never been to prison. This is actually my first time ever being locked up this long. I'm actually I did a whole 180. That was in 2020. I work now. I am.
This is tough to watch. Erica's plea feels raw and emotional. She's not a hardened criminal, she's desperate. But Judge Boyd reminds her, intentions don't erase actions. Her probation required one simple thing: show up.
Actually a grandmother. I still take care of my kids. I still, my son lives with me. I help my mother because she's disabled. My brother was her provider, but then he passed away like 3 months ago. So I've been having to help my daughter with her special needs. She's blind and eats through a feeding tube. So I also have to help her. I'm a babysitter for my other daughter while I'm not working. So I don't want the felony on my record because then it would be harder for me to get a job. So if you could just take a chance on me again. I'm actually a lot better out there than I am here. And I'm not even a criminal. I've never even.
No, I mean, you had drugs that you intended to deliver. They were in baggies. And what I can tell you is everybody in the box will tell me that they're better in the real world than being in prison. And one of your conditions of probation that you just testified to violating is that I ordered that you were not to have unsupervised contact with minors and you're babysitting. And the reason why I ordered that is because you have possession with intent to deliver drugs. And it was a lot of drugs.
No, I mean, that's not the reason why I totally dropped all of that when my grandkids came up, because how am I going to help them if I'm in prison? So that's basically.
I mean, all you had to do was report.
I mean, I've been taking care of everybody else besides myself. And
So honestly, basically, you haven't been doing probation. You know, a lot of people feel as though when they're on probation, they're supposed to report and do certain things. Those are called their conditions. And they're just like, well, I know I didn't do anything on probation, but I didn't pick up any new offenses. I'm just out here living my life. If that's the case, then you're not really on probation because you're not reporting, you're not doing anything that you're supposed to do. You're just living your life. And when people come before me and they say, I know I haven't reported for over a year, which you haven't reported for over a year, but I didn't pick up any new cases. Do you know that is not really saying anything? Because there are a lot of people who are not on probation and who haven't picked up any new cases. That's like the bare minimum. Don't pick up any new cases. Don't, join a gang. So you haven't done anything on probation. What have you done?
I've been working and helping out my family. And
No, what have you done on probation?
well, I mean, I did that class and I was doing everything until I ended up having to move in with my mom, and then she ended up losing her housing. And I mean, I know it, life is like the dumbest, but actually I've been living life trying to better myself and do the, if you could just give me, I've never even been to prison. I'm sorry, I don't want this on my record because then it's going to be harder for me to even get a job when I do get, say you do send me. I mean, it's kind of going to be even harder for me to. So if I could, please don't send me to prison. Not a prison person. I mean,
I don't know anybody who's a prison person, really. But here's the thing. These are consequences to actions, right? So you're not reporting. There was a consequence to that. You could potentially end up being revoked. And I usually tell people, hey, if you think that some action you're going to take could potentially result in you going to prison, then don't do it. If you think it may happen, then don't do it. And you did it. You didn't report. Nobody's seen you for a year. Everything that you're telling me now, nobody's seen you for a year.
I mean, I've had a job for 2 years, so I mean, I wasn't on the run. I mean, I barely started getting child support. Like, I barely started, like, getting my income tax.
No, I mean, I understand what you're saying, but you're on probation for possession with intent to deliver drugs. That means that you have drugs for selling.
Judge Boyd drops the hammer. 5 years in prison, despite her emotional plea. He acknowledges she didn't commit new crimes, but reminds everyone, probation isn't freedom, it's a second chance with strings attached. Break those strings, and you face the consequences.
And they were packaged for selling. And you were given deferred adjudication, 5 years deferred adjudication, and nobody's seen you.
Another little treat or.
This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to find violation of condition number 5 true. The court is going to find you guilty. The court will revoke. I'll take into consideration that the fact that she hasn't picked up any new offenses, and I'll sentence her to 5 years in the prison, give her credit for any time served, and request the therapeutic community. And there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. And there's a $1,500 fine, time, and money to run concurrently. All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? You have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegation in the motion, not the fact that you are on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
And that's it, another emotional day in court. What do you think? Should Erica have been given another chance, or did Judge Boyd make the right call? Let us know in the comments. Justice isn't always black and white.